Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix ticket issues in the FWC mobile ticket app. So if your FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets are not opening, not loading or showing errors, just follow along. First, you need to make sure you're logged in with the same FIFA account that you used to purchase your tickets. Next, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. After that, fully close the FWC mobile ticket app. For that, you need to swipe up from the bottom of your screen, remove the app from recent apps, and then try opening it again. And if the issue still continues, restart your phone and try again. You should also make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. For that, you need to go to App Store, search for FWC2026 Mobile Tickets, and then tap on Update if it appears. If the issue still continues, log out of your account and then log back in to refresh your ticket data. Also make sure your phone date and time are set to automatic, as incorrect settings can sometimes cause app errors. And if nothing works, the issue may be on FIFA's server side, so try again later or contact FIFA support through FIFA.com. So those are the best ways to fix ticket issue in the FWC mobile ticketing app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.